One of the best ways that you can boost your business as a personal trainer is to be a good personal trainer. Now, what I mean by this is when you are with your client, understand that it is not only your client who is paying attention to the quality of service you are providing them week after week, it is also the members in the facility in which you are training. When your client is doing a set or they are taking a break and you are spending your time on your phone, you're spending your time looking at yourself in the mirror, instead of engaging with your client, understand that people pay attention. Your client wants to feel valued. They want to feel like they are making progress in the gym. Now, if you are providing them with both of these things, not only will they go on and talk highly of you to their friends, their family, their colleagues on social media, you will also notice that other members in the gym will respond to this as well. Over time, you will find people will start approaching you and saying, hey, I noticed your client has been making a lot of progress in the gym. I have noticed your clients are always really happy when they're with you. Are you taking on new people? Do you have time for a new client? Do you have time to sit and chat? Be open and welcome to talking to new people, but also make sure that the hour that you are spending with your client is really focused and premised around them.